Hey everybody, SKSOUTH here. So as you can see there on the table, I have a big pile of chili peppers and banana peppers that came out of my garden. And a couple nights ago my wife was asking me, what am I going to do with all these peppers? And you're fixing to go out in the garden and pick more. So I've been thinking about it. And then I went out in the garden and I picked more peppers. All these chilies, banana peppers, one beautiful red bell. And I said, you know what? We'll save some of the peppers for stuffing with cheese and roasting and eating the way we like. Matter of fact, we had a couple of those last night. The rest of this, well, I'm going to make salsa. So I went and got me some fresh corn, some big old tomatoes, a couple of nice big sweet yellow onions, some fresh garlic cloves, some nice limes so I can have lime zest and lime juice, salt, pepper, cumin. And here we have the recipe for salsa. And I want more pepper salsa, more like a salsa verde than I do tomatoes. So the ratio of tomatoes to peppers is going to be totally opposite of when you normally make salsa, because I love chili pepper salsa. And this shouldn't be too awful hot, because these are Anaheim peppers. Well, I reckon I ought to get to processing these vegetables and get them ready to roast. Alright, all the vegetables are processed and ready to go into the oven for roasting. All of the peppers, onions, corn, garlic, tomatoes into the oven, preheated at 350 for about 30 minutes just to roast them up. Alright, it's time to finish making this salsa. Cut the corn off the cobs. Okay. Any more? Straight kernel of corn. Done with the food processor. Alright. Well, this is what it looks like right now. It's not green, it's not red. It's kind of tan. Which is okay by me because we got banana peppers, we got Anaheim peppers, we got poblano chilies, we got tomatoes, onions, garlic, and now we're going to get the zest off some limes. And then finish up by squeezing the lime juice in. The smell of this lime mixing in with them peppers and tomatoes and onions is all great. Alright, now it's time to juice this lime. Tasty. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. And there is my thick and chunky salsa. Tastes great. Alright, as you can see, we got the water bath out so we can can up some of these jars. That batch you watch me made 4 pints, and I ran out of pint mason jars, so I put the rest into 2 spaghetti jars. Of course, those won't be able to be put in the water bath. They don't seal the same as the mason jars, so those will have to be refrigerated and eaten soon. Have fun, y'all.